Hey guys, Leno here from PlayToEarn.net. Get ready for the inside scoop on the latest and greatest in the blockchain gaming world. Welcome to part 2 of our weekly news series, where we bring you the most exciting news from the blockchain gaming scene. For this episode, we're putting the spotlight on teasers, sneak peeks, and announcements. From upcoming games to new features, we've got all the juicy details you need to know. So buckle up, grab a drink, and get ready for a ride as we bring you the latest in blockchain gaming news. To start off our list, Com2uS is bringing Summoners War Chronicles to the blockchain in July. South Korean mobile game developer Com2uS recently announced that it is bringing Summoners War Chronicles to its blockchain gaming platform. The latest news comes as the action RPG prepares for a global release in March. Summoners War Chronicles is a fantasy RPG based on the Summoners War Sky Arena IP, which has garnered over 180 million downloads. The title was released in Korea last August and in North America in November. On March 9th, it will be released in over 170 countries worldwide on PC and mobile devices. Chronicles has been praised for its ability to inherit the Summoners War playstyle, where there is no definitive best summon. Players can progress in the game strategically by using a variety of monsters and builds. On top of that, it has introduced a new combat format that combines playable manual combat with the IP's first ever summoner-summoner team-up, creating a unique gameplay experience. After the launch, Chronicles will be released as a blockchain title in July. The Web3 version will be available on C2X, a blockchain gaming platform that runs on the XPLA network. While details are scarce, the team has promised to introduce unique tokenomics that brings innovation to Web3 gaming. The company has also set an ambitious goal, which is to generate 100 billion won, or about $76.8 million in sales with the launch of Summoners War Chronicles. In comparison, Sky Arena has generated over 300 billion won in sales per year. Head of game business at Com2uS, Han Ji-hoon, said, quote, "Summoners War Chronicles will soon meet users outside of North America as well. As the service expands worldwide, it's an opportunity to prove the power of the IP of Summoners War. We'll do our best for the title to join the club of game series to generate over 100 billion won in sales this year." End quote. Next, the glimmering on-chain tabletop RPG is launching Phase 2 on March 30th. After the first phase sold out, Web3 company Gripner has announced that Phase 2 of the Genesis collection of the Glimmering, described as the world's 5e on-chain TTRPG on the Polygon network, is set to launch near the end of this month on Thursday, March 30th. Not only will that day mark the release of the second phase of the NFT collection, but it will also be the day that the Play platform is officially live. This means that players will be able to win a hero from the Genesis collection. The NFT collection consists of randomly generated playable characters, with more than 43,000 hand-drawn pieces of art included. The NFT heroes that are part of the Genesis collection are made for on-chain gameplay, with players leveling up their heroes and gaining treasure and gold next to XP. The heroes are split into 12 classes and 8 ancestries, and with the collection containing over 100 different art attributes, each character is unique due to the many different combining variables, such as the ones previously mentioned. Aside from being a hub to connect and play in, the Play platform, according to a recent tweet, also serves to provide GMs with user-friendly tools that they can use not only to host tables but also to be paid for their work. According to the FAQ on the game's official website, the team states that owning an NFT is not needed to play, as the developers are releasing one-shots and modules that you can play off-chain anytime and no NFTs required. Their game is 5e compatible so everyone can play it where and how they like. If you're liking this news list so far, remember to check out our website and news section to be updated on everything about blockchain gaming. You can also subscribe to our channel to make sure you stay updated on all our videos. Now let's get back to the list. Next, Voxy Tactics confirms date for Dragonfest and reveals more exciting updates. Voxy Tactics, a blockchain tactical RPG, has unveiled more exciting updates about Dragonfest, voxel tokens, and the recent partnership with Hyperplay. According to Always Geeky Games, Dragonfest is a community raid boss event where players can collect bone fragments, earn bone chests, and play with the new Draco class for the first time. The event is set to run for a month from April 3rd to May 1st. In the run-up to the event, an action-packed trailer will be released, giving the community a sneak peek of what's in store. On top of that, a new dragon-themed landing page and other social events will be launched in stages, pushing up the hype for Dragonfest. Players can also expect new and exclusive dragon merch coming their way during the event. Aside from that, the team has also added more utilities to voxel tokens through various partnerships, like the Coinbase listing and future collabs that include QuickSwap rewards, token farming, Binance Learn and Stake, and more. The official merchandise store is now live, providing another use case for the voxel token. In addition, Voxy Tactics has teamed up with Hyperplay, a Web3 game launcher and aggregator that recently launched in public alpha. The tactical RPG is now available for download in Hyperplay, with deeper integration planned to unlock amazing Web3 features. Finally, the Geeky team is also working on a new version of Voxy Tactics. The latest version will be built on the Unity game engine and include major improvements, such as better graphics and performance, faster development time, and additional platform support. Voxy Tactics Unity will be released later this year following the Dragonfest event. Next, Dinox Social Island and mobile release are coming soon. The team behind Dinox, a dinosaur-themed metaverse, is soon to release the Social Island and mobile version. After months of teasers, the developers have given a glimpse into what players can expect from these releases. The Social Island is an integral part of the game, combining the Dinox world map, players' NFT lands, and its usability in Dinox, with the first iteration to focus primarily on technical aspects and fine-tuning and testing some of the early features. Following the Social Island, Dinox will release an early testing-focused version of Dinox mobile app on both Google Play and Apple App Store. This will be geared towards free-to-play players and will have the basic functionality of the features mentioned here. All players will get to start with a starter or default non-NFT island that is not connected to the world map, and does not let you travel to other islands. In order to travel, you'll need to own NFT lands. Aside from that difference, an NFT land also features more building slots and various other structures to make, with rarer land allowing for a higher number of unique buildings to construct. Eventually, owning an NFT land will also make it possible to invite other players to your plot. The first version of the Social Island gives players the ability to make new factories and mining buildings that serve to increase resource production, with players also having the option to create the blacksmith building used to craft items such as keys that unlock new playable battlegrounds in the Ancient Enemies gameplay mode. Energy management will be adjusted so that there's only a single energy building, through which players will have the option to upgrade regen and max capacity. Those who have already upgraded their energy facilities need not worry, as they'll be given this new building without losing any progress. And lastly, Fractal teams up with Super Gaming to launch a Tower Conquest tournament. Multi-chain NFT platform Fractal is back with another exciting event. This time, it has teamed up with Super Gaming to launch a free-to-play tournament for Tower Conquest Metaverse Edition with a 5,000 USDC prize pool. Tower Quest Metaverse Edition is a free-to-earn tower defense game built by Super Gaming, India's leading game developer. Players can enter the Tower Defense Challenge from March 16th to March 22nd and compete to be one of the leaderboard winners. During the event, players must go to TCME's project page on Fractal and click Play Now to download the game from Google Play or App Store. Upon signing in, everyone must create a Super Gaming account with both a Sequence wallet and a Fractal wallet. Players must first complete PvE campaigns in order to earn Essence, which can be used to purchase in-game cards from the store. Extra cards can be obtained from buildings or the TCME community on Telegram. Once you have enough cards, you can enter the PvP mode and compete against players. You will earn crowns, a virtual token shown as the right icon on the top right of the screen, as you deploy cards in PvP battles. Each participant will be ranked based on the number of crowns they earn. Players can slightly improve their winning odds by using a hero NFT, a powerful unit with high battle stats. The top 200 players on the leaderboard will get to share a 5,000 USDC prize pool. Prizes will be given out based on the allocation below. Players will be required to complete a KYC to receive their prizes. More information on the tournament rules and regulations can be found in the official post. And that's a wrap for today's news video. Be sure to tune in tomorrow as we delve into the final segment of our weekly news update, exploring the big news stories from the world of blockchain gaming that don't fit in the first two categories. And for more info on everything about blockchain games, check out our website at playtoearn.net, where we have the largest database of games that have all the info you need. That's it for today, see you next video.